In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable notifications in Google Classroom. If your inbox is overflowing with updates from classes, assignments, and comments, this quick walkthrough will help you quiet things down so you can focus on what matters. We'll move through the web version of Classroom, and by the end, your email will stop receiving those automatic alerts. You can always turn them back on later if you change your mind. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the account you use for Classroom. If you have multiple Google accounts, check the profile picture in the top right to confirm you're in the correct one. This will ensure you're adjusting notifications for the right classes. Next, look for the Google Apps icon near the top right of the page. It's the grid made up of small dots. Click it to open the app launcher. From there, find and select Classroom. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the grid or use the search bar inside the launcher. You can also go directly by typing the Classroom web address into the browser if you prefer. Once Classroom opens, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where all your global preferences live, including how and when you're notified. It's a good place to remember because you can revisit it anytime to fine-tune things as your workload changes. In the notifications section, find the switch labeled Email Notifications and turn it off. The moment you toggle this off, Classroom will stop sending you email updates about new assignments, returned work, comments, invitations, and other activity tied to your classes. That's it. Your inbox will be much quieter going forward. If you still use the mobile app, note that push notifications are managed separately on your device, so email changes here won't affect those. You'll also see options below for customizing notifications by class and activity. You don't have to adjust those today, but it's helpful to know they're available if you prefer a more selective setup later. To wrap up, you've opened Classroom from the Google Apps menu, visited the Settings gear, and disabled email notifications with a single toggle. The change is immediate, reversible, and applies to all your Classroom activity under this account. If you ever want updates again, just return to the same place and switch it back on. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, calmer inbox.